Welcome to this demonstration video offered to you by Cadac Group. This demonstration features our Cadac Organice Solution, the leading engineering solution on SharePoint. The change management process is initiated by site personnel requesting to have as-built documents updated to include changes that have been implemented on site while doing repairs or maintenance work. Step 1. A marked-up P&ID drawing has been provided to have the as-built documentation updated. In our example, the markup has been added to the P&ID using the integrated viewer of the document control system. The current as-built document is handed out from the central repository to a repair and maintenance environment. Step 2. The document controller retrieves the current as-built document, creates a placeholder for the updated revision and then hands the document out. We are logged into the central O&M document repository as the document controller. He opens the technical library. From the current as-built documents, he selects the appropriate P&ID and creates a placeholder for the updated as-built revision. He then opens his task list, selects the Please Handout to Project Site task and hands out the document. A wizard guides him through the process. He selects a project and a content type. As a P&ID, the document is controlled by the process team. Before any work is initiated, a quality check is run on the P&ID that requires updating. Step 3. QA as-built markup. The project document controller runs a quality check on the as-built markup file. He acknowledges the file and then initiates the update work. We are logged into the maintenance and repair environment as the document controller. He opens the task list and clicks the icon of the Perform QA Check task to open the as-built markup. He then checks if the information is sufficient to create a revision of the current as-built document. Returns to the task list and acknowledges the as-built markup to initiate the update work. A wizard opens allowing him to select a supplier and the responsible engineer, which will be updating and checking the P&ID. When the document is acknowledged, the supplier receives a task to update the document and submit a new revision. Step 4. Submit document. The supplier has updated the P&ID, uploads the modified files and submits them for approval. We are logged into the maintenance and repair environment as the supplier, who opens the task list. Then she opens the document attached to the Please Deliver task. We can see she has already uploaded the native and the PDF file with the requested changes. She can therefore directly submit the document for approval. As soon as the update work is started, the system automatically copies the acknowledged as-built markup back to the repository. This makes sure that the most current information is displayed to operations personnel, while the as-built documentation is being reworked. Step 5. Update current as-built information. The as-built markup is automatically copied to the repository and is then displayed as the current as-built information. We are logged into the O&M document repository as the document controller. Let's open the technical library. The default as-built documents view now displays the as-built markup instead of the as-built document. This makes sure that users looking for current information are aware of changes, even before the next revision of the as-built document is available. If we open the file in the document set, we can now see the marked up P&ID also in the O&M document repository. The submitted document is now being verified by the responsible engineer. Step 6. Verify as-built document. The updated P&ID is now verified by the responsible engineer. We are logged into the maintenance and repair environment as the responsible engineer. He opens the task list and clicks the icon of his Please Verify task to open the document. Then he can use the integrated viewer to browse through the document and verify that all the changes have been made properly. When he is done, he closes the viewer, sets the acceptance code to AC1, no comments, returns to the task list, selects the task and submits the document as verified OK. In the next step of the process, the P&ID is approved by a technical authority to ensure quality and correctness of the as-built documentation. Step 7. Approve as-built document. The document is finally approved by a technical authority. We are currently logged in as the technical authority engineer on the project environment site. Here he opens the task list and clicks the icon of his Please Approve task to open the document. He cross-checks the document and when he is done, closes the viewer. He selects his Please Approve task, and submits the document as approved by TA. In the final steps of the process, the updated P&ID is returned to the as-built environment. The document revision is then automatically indicated as the current as-built. Step 8. Return as-built document. The document controller returns the as-built P&ID to the O&M document repository. The updated P&ID is then available as the current as-built revision. We are logged into the maintenance and repair environment as the document controller. From the task list, he selects the Please Return to Op main task and returns the as-built P&ID to the O&M document repository. An additional confirmation screen is shown to confirm that the document is a valid as-built. If we now log into the O&M document repository again, and open the technical library, we will see the updated revision Z1 of the P&ID now as the current as-built document. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Cadac Organice, the leading engineering solution on SharePoint. Please visit our website www.cadac.com.